I know you didn't think I went all last week with nothing on my nails, did you? Hi everyone, my name is Caritha. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is part 2 of my subscribers choose my manicure video. And if you haven't seen part 1, it'll be in a link down below in more detail. But basically, in that video, I asked my subscribers to leave a comment and choose a number or choose a nail design, and whichever design has the most votes or comments is the designs that's going on my nails. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, it'll be in a link below in more detail, because I went through and explained how I did each design. So to show you the winning votes, we're gonna go through them together, and I'm looking at my phone to look at you guys' comments. And so let's get started. Melinda chose 2, 6, 11, 9, and 10. So 1 vote for 2, 6, 11, 9, and 10. Cheap Nails chose 2, 5, 7, 9, 13. 2, 5, 7, 9, and 13. Fabulously Finished Nails chose 2, 5, 6, 4, and 9. So 6, 4, 9. And Simply Kiwi 2, 7, 9. So these are the winning numbers or the winning designs. And so I'm gonna go with 2 and 9 because they got 4 votes. And I guess 5, 6, and 7 since they got 2. They were next in line. So that's going to be my 5 designs. 2, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So we're just down the wheel. 2, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So now that that's out of the way, let's get started on the manicure. Honestly, I was hoping number 9 was going to win because that was one of my favorites. So right now I'm just taking out some oval shaped rhinestones and then some caviar beads to do this design. First, I'm going to apply some clear gel to make sure the rhinestones and caviar beads stay on the nail really good. You want to apply it thick enough that it'll hold down the rhinestones, but not too thick because it doesn't cure right when it's too thick. When it's too thick, it'll cure with wrinkles in it. After you apply the clear gel, you can apply your rhinestones and beads. And because the gel is not cured yet, you can still move the beads around until you are happy with your design. now that you got everything where you want it, now it's time to cure the clear gel. And I did a flash cure, and if you don't know, a flash cure is when you cure for 10 seconds. But anyway, I did a flash cure, but when I top coated my whole nail for the next step, the rhinestone, well, not even the rhinestones, the beads were still moving around. So instead of a flash cure, you can go ahead and do a full 30-second cure. And speaking of top coat, now I'm going over the whole nail with a no wipe top coat, and then cure that for 30 seconds. I forgot I wanted to put silver beads in between the rhinestones, so I'm just doing it before I cure the top coat. For my middle nail, I'm just doing one coat of the glitter polish, which is Gold Barake, over top of my base color, which is Surreal Sunset. For my ring finger, I'm using the same technique that I did on the first design. I applied the clear gel only at my cuticles because I'm just going to apply the caviar beads around my cuticles and then give that a full 30-second cure. Also, for my ring finger, I'm going to use a water decal, so I'm just going to soak that in the water for like 5 seconds and then apply it on my nail using a clear stamper. I already laid out my striping tape, so now I'm just going to go over it with Black Expressionism. I'm doing 2 coats of the Black Expressionism, letting the first coat dry first, because if the first coat is still wet when you do the second coat, then you'll end up with a blobby mess. And then once I do my second coat, I'm going to peel up the striping tape before letting that dry. thumb, I have Surreal Sunset as the base color, and then I'm going to go with Art History 101, just doing a thick strip of that in the middle, and then a thin stripe at the top and another thin stripe at the bottom. Oh, and I forgot, I'm going in with one coat of the glitter polish on top of the middle stripe. I was doing it freehand, but then I was like, you know what, why am I not using striping tape to make sure these lines are straight? So that is all for this design, and this is a cute little manicure that y'all came up with. Yes, this is real nice, real cute. And I had fun with this, so let me know if you had fun with it, and if you want to do this again, like I do another subscribers choose my manicure kind of themed idea video. So yeah, let me know what you think of that, what you think of this design. Do you want to do this again? And whatever else you want to comment. So leave that in the comment section below. Please leave a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. And you know you liked this video, so you might as well subscribe, you know. But anyway, I will see you all in the next video.